All right, so let's take a look at these Fix Bear adhesive kind of hanging strip things, and I want to show you what you get in the package. So there's the box, but what you're going to get in the box is a bunch of these hook and loop adhesive. So on the back, you can see there's a little bit of a stickiness, and when you peel this off, you can see that this is super sticky to go on anything you want to go on. So that's one of them. And then of course the other side is going to be this one right here. This is going to be the hook or the loop side that has the same stickiness. Now, we tested this out in my shop with this item over here. So this is one of those work platforms that you may have in your shop. And so we stuck one side on this and we stuck with the other side onto the work platform. Just to give a little demonstration. We weighed this and it is 12 pounds. That's what this weighs. So, stuck it up there, line them up, right there, holds no problem. We also tested it over here. I mean, this is not something I would do, but just to show you the strength on kind of some odd looking lumber. So we have a rough 2x4 where I stuck it on some rough 2x4 and then I stuck it to the back of one of my drills, and it's a little curvy, so it's not exactly a flat finish or flat thing. Stuck it right on there and it holds just fine. So definitely holding two different varieties on some rough lumber, and it's holding well.